Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit more fall shopping, and I figured we could go check out Kirklands and see what they have out for fall this year. I've seen a couple people sharing some Kirklands shop with me's, and I'm really anxious to see what my Kirklands has. So we're gonna do that in today's video, but I also wanted to show you guys my chili recipe. It's super simple. Throw it in the crock pot. All you have to do is cook your ground beef, throw everything together, and it's good to go. It's so good. So I'm going to show you guys that here in a second, but I just wanted to say hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great start to your day, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video to spend a little bit of time with me today. So don't forget to subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started with our day. Alright, let's make the chili. So I'm going to start out by getting my crock pot out, and I'm going to go ahead and put a liner in. I get these from my local grocery store in the generic brand, and they work great. It makes cleanup a lot easier. And then here are all of the ingredients that you will need. The only thing that I would suggest maybe substituting out is the chicken broth. I personally like it. Some people do, some people don't. So you can always switch it out for tomato juice. So first I'm going to dice up a sweet onion, really finely chopped because Taylor doesn't like big chunks. I love onion though. I could have an entire onion in here and I would love it. So I'm going to first saute the onions with a little bit of olive oil in my pan, and I'm going to let those kind of just get fragrant, and then I'm going to add my ground beef. So I'm just going to use a pound of ground beef. I'm also going to drain and rinse my kidney beans, and then I'm going to throw that ground beef into the skillet with the onions, and I'm going to just start mashing it up. I got this little kitchen tool that I can kind of just chop up the ground beef real fine from Menards of all places. I've been looking for one. I know Pampered Chef also sells them, so you can probably look there. But next we're going to add some seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, just to kind of season the beef up. And then we're going to let that brown, and then once it's cooked we will drain the grease. I'm also going to add in a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, and then one large can of chili beans. And I like the mild sauce, so I'm going to put all of that into the crock pot. Also put a packet of chili seasoning from McCormick. I'm going to go ahead and drain that ground beef grease, and then I will put it in the crock pot and let it all mix in together. Now I'm going to add the chicken broth. I know it sounds so weird, but for some reason it kind of tones down the beef flavor and it makes it really good and sweet. So you can do this, or like I said, you could add more tomatoes, you could add more beans, whatever you want to do. You can really customize this. And then I always do a little bit of brown sugar at the end for a little bit of sweetness. Mix it all together, and then I'm going to cook it on high for about 4 hours. Once everything is cooked through, I will put it on warm and it'll be ready to serve. Alright, let's go shopping. I just went into Kirklands and I'm going to show you guys everything that my local Kirklands had out. I was actually really impressed with all of the options. I feel like they had a ton of new stuff. They also have their staples, but they had a ton of signs, which is one thing I felt like Hobby Lobby was lacking. So if you're looking for a large sign, small sign, any size, go to Kirklands. I'm sure you will find one that you love.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said you love for me something brand new. You said
I thought this coppery sign was so pretty, and I loved these pumpkins. That green color is really speaking to me this fall.
I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe.
I loved this table runner. I didn't end up getting it, but I might go back and snatch it. They also had the most beautiful wreaths, and they weren't an awful price, so if you catch them on sale, I think they would be pretty decent. None of the fall was on sale yet, and I'm not sure when it will be, but I will let you guys know. Once things go on sale, I will probably be going back to get a few things.
Yeah, don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just...
Alright guys, I am back home from the store. So many great things at Kirklands. I was so impressed. So here in a little bit, I'll show you what I bought. I didn't get a whole lot, but I could have went wild. I'm first gonna see like what I for sure want to put out of things that I already have, and just like go through certain areas and see what I actually need instead of buying a bunch of stuff that I'm not sure if I need or not. So anyways, long story short, I got a couple of things, but I wanted to kind of show you guys my entryway at the moment and get your opinion on some things. I'm trying to decide what I want to do with it, and I just don't know. So let's talk about this. I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you. All right, so here is what it currently looks like. Hi, Colt. So in the last video, I took down those shutter shelves and put them in the guest bedroom. They're in this room now, and I love them there. I feel like it gives a little bit of definition to that wall since it's just plain. It's just a solid color painted. So I have those in there, but now I'm trying to decide what I want to do in the entryway. And first and foremost, I need to get a different light. These are so yellow toned, and I really want something that's a lot cooler. But anyways, I'm thinking about making a sign that says something about fall. I don't know. I want to do a really large sign and have that kind of be the focal point. And I'm going to really focus on this space for fall. I'm also trying to decide if I want to do something different with this bench. I feel like the top is stark white, no texture or definition or chippiness, and then the bottom is kind of like a yellowy orange stain. That's how it came, and I just don't love it, especially with our floors. Our floors are really dark, but they don't have any orange to them. So I don't know, I feel like it kind of clashes. So I'm debating on what to do with that bench. And then also I'm thinking about painting the front door. So I haven't totally decided yet. I feel like it's so dark, and this area tends to get kind of dark anyway. So I don't know. I feel like I either need to paint it like a true black. It's kind of like an espresso color right now. So either paint it like a true black if I'm gonna go for that contrast look, or paint it a lighter color. So let me know what you guys think. If I paint it, I want it something neutral enough where it'll go with everything all year round. So let me know, but I'll show you guys the process of making the sign. Today actually feels like fall weather. I think the high was like 74, 75 degrees, and it's so beautiful out. I'm loving it. It's actually kind of sunny right now, but the first half of the day it was kind of cloudy. It was very cool. Felt like we should be going to the pumpkin patch, not gonna lie, but so ready for fall. I'm really excited for all of the fall things. So let me know what your favorite fall activity is. I'm starting to write down like a list of ideas of things I want to do this fall. I know it's a little bit different than normal, but I still want to do all of the fun fall things. I'm also on the hunt for some fall candles. I'm gonna look at Copper Candle Co. and see if they have any new fall scents, because I feel like I need some fall scents in the house. I feel like I can go ahead and start burning those and getting all of the fall vibes. I might go try to find a fall candle out of my Bath and Body Works stash. I think I might have a leaves, so I'm gonna go try to find that and burn it, because it's such a perfect fall day, and it's August 3rd, so I don't know what the weather's doing, but let me know if you have decorated for fall yet, or when you're planning on doing it. I originally had planned for my video to go up August 17th, but that may change. I don't know. Getting really excited though, but stay tuned for Friday's video. It's gonna be a huge fall decor haul, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna show everything that I've gotten recently for fall. It's gonna be really good. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing everything that Kirklands has out. They had so many good things. So let's go ahead and head to the bedroom. I've got everything that I got laid out there, so I'll show you what I picked up. I know that I've told you guys I've been on the hunt for a green sign. There's a picture on Pinterest from Liz Marie Galvin, and she used a green picture with some white writing last year for fall, and it was so pretty. So I wanted to find something similar to that, and I found the perfect thing at Kirklands. It says Home Sweet Home. It's got a green background, and I think this will look so good. I'm planning on putting it in our dining room. Maybe, maybe not. I haven't totally decided, but you guys are not going to believe how much I paid for this. It's got a little nick up at the top, and it was already in the clearance, but they didn't have a price tag on it at all. It was completely gone. So the manager gave it to me for $12.25. So I thought this was a steal. And I've even debated finding a paint color that's similar to kind of touch up that spot, and maybe painting over the whole thing and just putting like maybe a simple word here at the bottom. I don't know, like maybe just harvest or something. I haven't decided, so let me know if you would paint over this saying and put something else on it, or if you would leave it how it is, if you think this font and this saying is cute. Let me know what you guys think, because as of right now, I'm kind of thinking about painting over it. The other thing I got from Kirkland's was this little mug. I could not pass it up. It's kind of like that caramely rust color that I love, but it's definitely a more muted color. It says autumn leaves and pumpkin please, and I think it's so stinking cute. The inside is just white, and I love it. This was $6.99. None of their fall stuff is on sale yet, so I'm probably going to go back and get a few more things once they do go on sale. I for sure want to get some of those knitted pumpkins, and then possibly that black sign with the white writing. I don't remember what it says, but that was so cute. So cute. So I may go back and pick up those things, but for today, this is the only fall thing that I picked up. I'm really trying to be more minimalistic with my decor and not overbuy, so very few selections, but I loved this mug. And you guys know that I love copper, and I'm pulling copper into my fall decor this year. So I found some canisters from Home Goods that have kind of a coppery lid on top, and I thought they were so cute, and you guys will not believe the prices on these. So this medium-sized one was $2.49, and this big one was $3.99. So this one kind of has the hobnail look on it, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm probably gonna have these set up on my floating shelves. I'll probably either put some coffee grounds in it or some oats, something like that. I think that would look really cute up on the shelves. Let's check on the chili. It is smelling so good. I'm also gonna make some cornbread here in a little bit. Oh, this is like the perfect fall meal. I know it's kind of early, but yum. I wish you guys could smell it. It's the perfect blend of heat and sweetness. So we are gonna dive into this really soon. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed going along with me today, doing a little bit of fall decor shopping. Let me know what your favorite piece was down below. I hope you guys have so much fun decorating for fall. If you do, make sure to tag me over on Instagram so I can see what you guys came up with. It's so exciting to decorate for all of the seasonal holidays coming up. So getting excited, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in Friday's video. Bye, guys.